Hi, I'm Spencer Defty with Knotty Wood Barbecue Company, and we're here in the orchards of Woodland, California, and the beautiful almonds during the summer when these guys are coming ripe. And I'm here to tell you about grillmastersclub.com. If you're not a member yet, you need to be. They're America's #1 online barbecue and grilling subscription place to be. And you can only get exclusive offers through Grill Masters Club, like our Knotty Wood pellets, and everything else grilling and barbecue that you can think of. They're going to have it, and they're going to have the best stuff, and they're going to have new releases and things that you aren't going to find anywhere else. If you're not a member and you're into barbecue and you want to up your barbecue game, go to grillmastersclub.com, hit the link below. Happy grilling.